Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon F. And in this lesson, we'll discover together 108 adjectives. Okay, so the list will be long, but still they are quite useful, so get ready. We're starting right now. Fâché. Okay, so remember that here, even if you've got this accent circumflex on the top of A, well, technically it doesn't really change the pronunciation. Fâché. Fâcheux. So final X not pronounced, and then you get your combination of E, U, E. Fâcheux. Endormi. Remember, E-N, en. Endormi. Attractif. Réveillé. Okay, I-double-L-Y. Réveillé. Horrible. Okay, first letter is H, but then we don't pronounce H, so you don't pronounce it. And the first thing you hear is O. Horrible. Meilleur. Okay, same thing here. I-double-L-Y. Meilleur. Mieux. Final X not pronounced. Grand. Final D not pronounced. Ennuyé. Okay, so first en, then nuit, then yé. Ennuyé. Ennuyeux. Okay, final X not pronounced, and then the same concept. Ennuyeux. Ennuyeux. Courageux. Final X not pronounced, and then you've got this U, E, and G plus E. After that it's je, so je, okay? Courageux. Courageux. Génial. Calme. So don't insist on the final E. Calme. Joyeux. Final X not pronounced, and then joyeux. Okay? Joyeux. Joyeux. Nuageux. Final X not pronounced, and then G-E-U, je. Nuageux. Correct. Dangereux. Okay, so final X not pronounced, and then don't really pronounce this here. Dangereux. 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 Décidé. Malhonnête. Okay, remember, H doesn't exist, so malhonnête. Don't insist on the final E. Malhonnête. And here you get E accent circumflex, so you pronounce it like E. Malhonnête. Désorganisé. Affreux. Final X not pronounced. And then you've got this freux. Freux. Affreux. Ennuyeux. Okay, final X not pronounced. And then ennuyeux. Ennuyeux. Facile. Excellent. Okay, you've got double L here, and then it will open the sound of your E here, and it will be E. Excellent. Excellent. Excité. Passionnant. Okay, here you pronounce the double S because you've got a vowel, so it's really a strong one. Passionnant. Final T not pronounced. And then here you get this en sound. Passionnant. Cher. Blond. Final D not pronounced. Célèbre. Okay, first you get this E, then here you get the E, so célèbre. Final E not really pronounced. rapide, favori, final, bien. Okay, so remember, when you get this combination of I, E, N, you get the sound yin, yin, okay, and then B. Bien. En forme. Brumeux. Okay, final X not pronounced, so you get this E and then U. Brumeux. Brumeux. Free. Final T not pronounced. Free. Amical. Effrayé. Okay, remember, double F, so you open the E, so effrayé. And here you get this frayé, effrayé. Effrayant. Final T not pronounced. Effrayant. Amusant. Final T not pronounced. You've got only one S here between the vowels, so it's really this Z sound. Amusant. Amusant. Plus loin. Beau. Okay, so remember we've got this strange combination of vowels. A, U, so 3 vowels, but then phonetically it's only O. Okay, so beau. Grillé. Okay, at the end you've got this E, and then remember double L after E. Y. Grillé. Grillé. Beau. One more time. Dur. Travailleur. Okay, remember double L, y, and then E-U-R, heure. Travailleur. Travailleur. Saint. Okay, combination of A, I, N phonetically will give you this un pronunciation. Saint. Lourd. Final D not pronounced. Honnête. Chaud. Final D not pronounced, and then when you combine this C and H, you get the sh sound. A and U, O. Chaud. Important. Final T not pronounced. Intelligent. Final T not pronounced. Intéressé. Intéressant. Final T not pronounced. Gentil. So it's a strange one because here this final L is not pronounced. Okay? Gentil. Gentil. Tard. Final D not pronounced. Paresseux. Final X not pronounced. Cuire. Seul. Joli. Chanceux. Final X not pronounced. And then remember C, E, U will give you this se sound. Chanceux. Chanceux. Fou. Combination of O and U. Ou. Fou. D'âge mûr. Misérable. Okay, don't insist on the final E here. You get this bl sound at the end. Okay, misé, et because you've got this accent aigu, rable. Misérable. Nécessaire. Don't insist on the final E. Nécessaire. Nerveux. Final X not pronounced. Nouveau. Remember, combination of E, A, and U together, it's O. So you get nouveau. Okay? Agréable. don't insist on the final E, bl, agréable, agréable. Normal, ordinaire, don't insist on the final E, ordinaire. Organisé, E accent aigu, et, organisé. Obèse, remember, E accent grave, est, obèse. Don't insist on the final E. Parfait, final T not pronounced, parfait, parfait. Pauvre, A-U together will produce this O sound, pauvre. Populaire, populaire. Don't insist on the final E, populaire. Rapide, so same thing for final E, don't insist on it, just pronounce this D, rapide. Silencieux, final X not pronounced, okay? This part here will be pronounced like cieux, okay? Then you get silencieux, silencieux. Prêt, final T not pronounced, E accent circonflexe like that phonetically gives you the E sound, prêt. Détendu, E accent aigu, et, and then EN, en, détendu. Riche, final E not really pronounced, so sh is the last sound, riche. Malpoli, sûr, accent circonflexe on the top of U, sûr. Court, final T not pronounced, court. Remember, when you combine this O and U together, you get the sound OU, court. Similaire, final E not pronounced, similaire. Petit, okay, remember to pronounce this E like a petit, final T not pronounced, petit. Réussi, okay, first you've got this E, then U and double S, so really strong S and E. Réussi, réussi. Ensoleillé, remember double L after E, ensoleillé. Sûr. Talentueux, final X not pronounced, then you get this E-U together, E, then T-U, tueux, talentueux, talentueux. Terrible. Terrifié. Fatigué. Okay, remember when you combine this G, U, and E, you will get the G, okay? But in that case, you get the accent, so it's G, all right? Fatigué. Fatigué. Fatigant. Okay, remember when you get G and A, you don't need to put the U between, because when you combine these two letters, you get the sound G, G. So ga, okay? In that case, you've got A N, so it's gant. Final T not pronounced. Fatigant. Fatigant. Moche. Don't insist on the final E, then you get the last sound is sh. Moche. Antipathique. So remember, this H doesn't exist phonetically, so antipathique. Okay, final E, not pronounced. Antipathique. Malheureux. H doesn't exist, okay, so you get mal, heureux. Final X not pronounced. Malheureux. Malsain. A-I-N together, it's a nasal and it's malsain. Méchant. final T not pronounced, then CH, ch, chant, méchant. Inhabituel. Utile. Chaud, final D not pronounced. Venteux, final X not pronounced, then EN, en, venteux. Pire, final E not pronounced, so R at the end, pire. Faux, okay, final X not pronounced, then you get this AU together, O, faux. Jeune, final E not pronounced, but then EU together, jeune, jeune. And that's it for this first list of adjective. There was a mistake. I didn't want to stop because I was continuing. But there is one word in the list that is not, of course, an adjective, and it was leather. Cuir. Okay, so probably you did correct that on your own, but then I didn't want to stop because I was in a good mood. Okay, if you want more videos, youtube.com/imagier. And then the website is here, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon G. And the series of adjectives is continuing because we've been seeing a bit more than 100 adjectives in a previous lesson. And we'll see approximately 100 adjectives in the following lesson. So the idea is to give you as many adjectives as possible at this time of your learning process because I think it's important now. Okay, so we'll start right now. Accidentel. Vivant. Final T not pronounced. Vivant. Ancien. Remember, A-N, ancien. Ancien. En colère. E accent grave like that. Here you pronounce it E. Colère. En colère. Large. Don't insist on the final E. Large. Pieds nus. So final S here and then final S here is not pronounced. And then when you get this combination here, it's ye. Pieds. Okay, so you don't hear the D. Pieds nus. Bas, final S not pronounced. Génial. Décontracté. Okay, so you've got E accent aigu here and here, so it's E. Décontracté. Okay, décontracté. En céramique. Okay, so remember this Q-U-E here will give you the sound K. Okay. Céramique, because you don't insist on the final E. Céramique. Alright? En céramique. Classique. Okay, so exactly the same thing. You don't insist on the final E, so you get K as the last sound. Classique. Côtier. Okay, so here you get this O, accent circumflex. You tend to insist a little bit more on it, so it's a bit lower. Co. Okay, côtier. Okay, I-E-R here, ye. Côtier. Froid. Final D not pronounced. Froid. Commun. Okay, U-N-1. Commun. Confiant. Final T not pronounced. So I-A-N, yan, fiant. Confiant. Cruel. Okay, remember, cruel. Dangereux. Final X not pronounced, and then don't really pronounce this E here. Okay, so you get dangereux. Mort. Final T not pronounced. O-R, or. Mort. Décoré. Okay, so E accent aigu, E accent aigu, E, décoré, décoré. Profond, final D not pronounced, O-N, on, profond. Individuel. Spectaculaire. Okay, so don't insist on the final E, so l'air, spectaculaire, spectaculaire. Tôt, okay, final D not pronounced, and then this O accent circonflexe is a bit stronger than normally, so tôt, tôt, tôt. Âgé, okay, E accent aigu here, et âgé, âgé. Électronique, okay, so as we saw previously, Q-U-E at the end, K, okay, électronique, électronique, électronique. Méchant, final T not pronounced, C-H together, sh, méchant, méchant. Excellent, remember double L and E before, it will open the E, so E, excellent, excellent. Passionnant, final T not pronounced, passionnant. Cher. À la mode, final E not pronounced, à la mode. Rapide, final E not pronounced, so rapide, rapide. En forme, final E not pronounced, en forme. Évasé, remember one S between two vowels, Z, évasé. Courant, final T not pronounced, A-N, en, courant. Folk. Fragile, okay, final E not pronounced, and then when you get this G and I, J, Gilles, fragile. Amical. Effrayant, okay, so final T not pronounced, and then you get effrayant, okay, effrayant. Gelé. Amusant, final T not pronounced. Content, final T not pronounced, so E-N, en as well, content, content. Amical. Dur. Utile, final E not pronounced, so utile. Horrible, okay, remember we don't pronounce H here, horrible. Immense, final E not pronounced, immense. Important, so final T not pronounced, and then remember you've got this EM, and after that it's a consonant, so it is here nasal. Important, important. Indépendant, final T not pronounced, indépendant, indépendant. Informel. Intelligent, final T not pronounced, so G-E-N, Jean, okay, intelligent. Double L, it opens the pronunciation of your E, so it's E, intelligent. Intéressant, double S, same thing here, S, strong, and it opens the pronunciation of your E, intéressant, final T not pronounced. Humain, remember, H is not pronounced, A-I-N, un, humain. En direct. Logique, remember, Q-U-E at the end, K, logique. Bas, final S not pronounced. À taille basse, okay, so basse, final E not pronounced, but then you pronounce the double S, so S, basse. And then here you get the double L after your I, remember, taille, à taille basse. Chanceux, final X not pronounced, this C-E-U, ce, chanceux, chanceux. De luxe. Mathématique, remember, H doesn't exist, so mathématique, remember, Q-U-E at the end, K, mathématique. Médical. Mémorable, don't insist on the final E, mémorable. Négligé, okay, accent aigu here and here, et, négligé, négligé. D'âge mûr. Minimum. Nerveux, final X not pronounced, E-U, E, V, nerveux. Bruyant, final T not pronounced, so you get bruyant, okay? Bruyant, bruyant. Hors ligne, final here not pronounced, so ligne, and then here S is not pronounced, the final one, so hors, and remember H doesn't exist, so hors ligne. En ligne, okay, so here en ligne. En plein air, all right, so you've got this air here, and then we tend to make the liaison plein air, plein air. En plein air. Douloureux, remember, final X not pronounced, so you get this OU together, ou, douloureux, douloureux. Populaire, final E not pronounced, so populaire, populaire. Psychologique, okay, remember it's an exception here because you've got this C-H-O. Normally we should pronounce it cho, okay, but in that case we pronounce it co. Psychologique. Remember, final Q-U-E like that, K. Psychologique. Silencieux, final X not pronounced. Radioactif. Enregistré, okay, so here final with the accent, so E, okay, T-R, E accent grave, c'est accent aigu, it's très, all right, so enregistré, okay, but then you don't really insist on this enregistré, enregistré. Détendu, okay, so E-N-N, détendu, détendu. Renouvelable. Look, renouvelable. Remember, bl, bl at the end. But then this here is not really pronounced. So, renouvelable, renouvelable. Okay, it's a bit tricky, I know, but try your best. Renouvelable. Romantique. Remember, Q-U-E at the end, K. Romantique. Royal. Okay, so same thing with this Y. Royal. 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 Sûr. Effrayé. Mitoyen. Okay, same thing with the Y that we have here with effrayé and royal, sorry. So, mitoyen. Mitoyen. Peu profond. Final D not pronounced. Peu profond. mince. Okay, mince. Irrité. Droit. So final T, not pronounced. Stressé. Okay, remember you get double S here, so you pronounce it really strong. Well, it's between two vowels. So C, all right. And then here you get this E before the double S, so it will open the pronunciation of the E. Est stressé, stressé. Stressant. Okay, final T not pronounced, and then A-N, en, stressant. Fort, final T not pronounced. Réussi, okay, réussi, réussi. Bronzé, so O-N, on, and then Z, it's really pronounced like Z. Bronzé, bronzé. Superstitieux. Okay, so final X not pronounced. Superstitieux. Okay, remember when we get this T after E and then E here. S. Superstitieux. Superstitieux. En mitoyenneté. Okay, so mitoyenneté. En mitoyenneté. Terrifiant, final T not pronounced, double R here, so it will open the pronunciation of your E, and then it will be E, terrifiant. Résistant, final T not pronounced, résistant. Tropical. Sous-marin, okay, so E-N here, un, rein, marin, all right, and remember, sous, okay, final S not pronounced, so S-O-U, sous, sous-marin. Utile, final E not pronounced, utile. Verbal. Visuel, remember it's E here and L, uel, visuel. And that's it for this list of 100 adjectives. I hope it was useful. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and it's waiting for you. And the website is here, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. And this is Unité 9, leçon H. And in this lesson, we'll finish our little thing that we started 2 lessons ago with the adjectives. Okay, so this would be a list of 120 adjectives. Okay, and it will complete the whole adjective series that I wanted to introduce at this point of our learning process. Okay, so let's start now. Alarmant, final T not pronounced. Ambitieux, final X not pronounced, and then remember that you get this T, I, and then vowel, so si. Ambitieux, ambitieux. Amusé, okay, accent aigu at the end, so E, Z, amusé. En colère, okay, remember, accent grave, E, and then R, okay, you don't insist on the E. Colère, en colère. Artificiel. Athlétique, okay, remember that H doesn't exist, so at-lé-tique. Remember, Q-U-E at the end, K. Athlétique. Athlétique. Réveillé. Okay, so accent aigu here and here. So E, and then you get E, and then double L, Y. Réveillé. Réveillé. Mal payé. Okay, remember when you get this Y and two vowels, so payer, payer, mal payé. Irritable, don't insist on the final E. Aveugle, same thing, final E, not really present. So aveugle, gle, aveugle. Bouillant, final T not pronounced. A and together, remember, nasal, en, okay? And then here you get bou, all right? And after that you get this yan, okay? Bouillant, bouillant. Autoritaire, so final not here. Autoritaire, autoritaire. Courageux, final X not pronounced. G-E-U together, they will give you this je, okay? Courageux, courageux. Large d'épaule, final S not pronounced. Large, final E here not pronounced. D'épaule. Enterré, okay, remember, N together, nasal, en, and then you get this double R here, and it will open the sound of the E, okay? Enterré, enterré. Épais, final S not pronounced, A-E together, épais, épais. Calme, final E not here. Stimulant, final T not pronounced, stimulant, stimulant. Circulaire, final not pronounced, I together, it's E, okay, so R, circulaire, circulaire. Raser de près, final S not pronounced, okay, so here you get the E accent grave, E, près, okay, here E accent aigu, et raser, raser de près. Confiant, okay, final T not pronounced, so O-N, on, I-A-N, ian, confiant, confiant. Attentionné, okay, at the end you get this E accent aigu, so et, a, temps, so remember, E-N, en, temps, sionné, attentionné. Contemporain, okay, so I-N at the end, un. E-M here, because it's followed by a consonant here, you get this P, so it will be a nasal, so it will be en. And here another nasal, on. Contemporain, contemporain. Condamné, okay, so it's really strange because this M here, well, technically it's not pronounced. Condamné, okay, condamné. Effrayant, okay, remember, final T not pronounced. Effrayant, effrayant. Couper court, final T not pronounced, and here you get this accent aigu, couper court. Fâché, remember, C and H together, sh, and then E, ché, fâché. Cruel, okay, U here, cruel. Actuel, actuel. Mignon, okay, here in that case, G-N-O-N, gnon, mignon. Sourd, final D not pronounced, O-U together, ou, sourd. Ferme, okay, final E not pronounced, ferme. Décoratif, okay, E accent aigu, et, décoratif, décoratif. déprimé. Désert. Okay, remember final T not pronounced. Désert. And really this z sound just because you get one S between the two vowels. Okay, z. Désert. Décider. Okay, remember accent aigu here and here. So et décider. Décider. Électronique. Okay, so k at the end. Remember Q-U-E at the end. K. Électronique. Électronique. Émouvant. Final T not pronounced. A-N together. En. Émouvant. Émouvant. En voie d'extinction. En voie, final E not pronounced, d'extinction. Okay, remember T-I-O-N, sion. Extinction. Extinction. En voie d'extinction. Énorme. Final E not pronounced, énorme. Énorme. Entier. So remember I-E-R, I-E, okay? And then the T, tier, and the nasal before, en, entier. Éternel. Okay, so accent aigu, éternel. Éternel. Épuisé. Okay, remember you've got two accent aigu, épuisé. Épuisé. Disparu. Fidèle. Final E, not pronounced, so accent grave here. L, fidèle. Fidèle. Fantastique. Okay, Q-U-E at the end, K. Okay, tic. Fantastique. Fantastique. Fascinant. Final T not pronounced, so you get this A-N. En, non, fascinant. Imaginaire. Final E not pronounced. Imaginaire. Imaginaire. Étranger. You gotta remember R at the end. Et. So after that, well, before that, sorry. G. So étranger. Étranger. Glacial. Frustré. À temps complet. A. Okay, so even if you've got an accent, it doesn't change the pronunciation of your A. Okay, so it's A. And then temps. Okay, so in that case, it's only the nasal here that you will hear. Temps. Okay, because the P is not pronounced and the S is not pronounced. Temps. And then complet. Okay, here a T at the end will open it. The sound of the E. So E. Okay, plait. Complet. Complet. And then OM is nasal here, just because you get your P after that. So it's on. Complet. À temps complet. À temps complet. Furieux. Okay, final X not pronounced. Furieux. Furieux. Génétique. Remember, K. Génétique. Coupable. Final not pronounced. Coupable. Coupable. Saint. All right, so final T not pronounced, and then when you combine this A-I-N here, you get the un sound. Saint. Saint. Honnête. So remember, H doesn't exist. Honnête. Horrifié. Same thing here. You don't pronounce the H. Horrifié. Exalté. Okay, so here, final with the accent. So exalté. Humain. Remember, H doesn't exist, so U, then A-I-N together, un. Humain, humain. Hypnotique, remember, at the end, Q-E, K, tic. So H is not pronounced. Hypnotique, hypnotique. Illégal. Illogique. Remember, k, k, ik. Illogique. Ingénieux. Final X not pronounced, so I-E-U, I-E, nieux. Ingénieux. Ingénieux. Impatient. Okay, remember, final T not pronounced. And then you've got this T, I and a vowel, so sien. Sien. Impatient. Impatient. Impoli. Okay, remember, I-M and then a consonant after, so nasal. Impoli. Impossible. Don't insist on the final E. Impossible. Incroyable. Okay, same thing here for the final E. Don't pronounce it. So, incroyable. 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 Indépendant. Final T not pronounced. Pas cher. Informel. Insensible. Okay, final not pronounced. Insensible. Insensible. Irrégulier. Okay, remember, I-E-R at the end of your word here, it will be yé. Okay? Irrégulier. Irrégulier. Irresponsable. Don't pronounce the final E. Bl, bl will be the last sound. Sable. Irresponsable. Légal. De luxe. Final E not pronounced. Insignifiant. Okay, final T not pronounced, so you've got this I-A-N, ian, so F before, fiant. Insigni, okay, remember, G-N-I, ni, ni, insignifiant, insignifiant. Mineur, E-U-R, heure, mineur, mineur. Mythique, remember, Q-U at the end, K, okay, and then Y is pronounced like I, mi, H is not pronounced, T, mythique. D'origine. Nomade. Final E not pronounced. Officiel. Paranoïaque. Okay, remember. Q-U-E, K, ac. Paranoïaque. Paranoïaque. Pacifique. Q-U-E, K, ic. Pacifique. Potelé. Okay, here you don't really pronounce this E. Potelé. Potelé. Psychologique. Okay, remember at the end you've got this K. Okay, so ic, and then Y is pronounced like I. Psy. And then it's an exception here because normally we should pronounce it chaud, okay, but then we pronounce it co. Psychologique. Psychologique. Raisonnable. Remember, I together, est. Raisonnable. Distant. Final T not pronounced. Distant. Gratifiant. Same thing here. Final T not pronounced. Gratifiant. Rythmique. Remember, Y pronounced like I and then H doesn't exist. Rythmique. Rythmique. En ruine. Don't pronounce the final E, ruine. Sacré, E accent aigu at the end, et sacré. Autosuffisant, final T not pronounced. Autosuffisant. Autosuffisant. Censé, final E accent aigu et censé. Sensible, okay, final E not pronounced, bl will be the last sound. Sensible. Similaire, so final E not pronounced, okay, similaire. Mince, final E not pronounced, en together, un, mince. Lisse, double S here, so it's really a strong S, lisse. Okay, don't insist on the final E, lisse. Stressant, final T not pronounced, en together, en, and then double S, sans, and it will open the pronunciation of your E, so E. Stressant, stressant. Chic, okay, you pronounce the final C, and then CH together, sh, chic. De banlieue, okay, final E not pronounced, so IEU, IE, L, lieu, banlieue, de banlieue. Très petit, final T not pronounced, and then E is pronounced like a E, petit, très petit. Here, final S doesn't exist, it's not pronounced. Très petit, très petit. Traditionnel, okay, so you get double N here, traditionnel. Honnel, honnel, traditionnel. Transatlantique, okay, so at the end, tic, remember Q-U-E, k, okay. Transatlantique, transatlantique. Tribal. Tropical. Sans peur. Okay, pronounce the final R, E-U-R, heure, peur. Sans peur. Don't pronounce the final S here. Sans peur. Inconfortable. Okay, don't pronounce final E. Table. Inconfortable. Inconfortable. Au chômage. Remember, CH together, ch, chaud, chômage, au chômage. Malchanceux, final X not pronounced, C-E-U, ce, malchanceux, malchanceux. Peu utile, final E not pronounced, peu utile. Désagréable, final E not pronounced, bl at the end, désagréable, désagréable. Peu réaliste. Don't insist on the final E. Peu réaliste. Intact. Intact. Peu sûr. Affecté. Ondulé. Riche. Okay, remember, C-H-E, sh. So, sh normally, but then you don't insist on the final E, so sh. Riche. Solide. Same thing here, don't insist on the final E. Solide. Bien payé. Okay, remember, final E accent aigu, et, okay. Payé. Payé. Alright? Payé. And then I-E-N, yen. Bien payé. Bien payé. And that's it for this list. I hope it was not too long for you. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and the website is waiting for you.